Alright, so we have a train here in the forested area. And here it'll be coming underneath this neat bridge with that cool bus. Here we have an interchange type thing. We have an interchange tower and a crossing. I love all these trees. This masks very well the return loop. So you have a lugging truck there. It looks like an M630 or an M420. MLW locomotive, built in Montreal, with the Canadian white cab. But here it comes. And it looks like a CN wrecking train. Here it crosses this massive bridge. Really well done. And it goes through this massive forested area. And the train will make an appearance on the other side, on that bridge right there. And then it will come back from where it came, back this way. I love that bus. That's really cool. And I'll finish it off as it comes around, back around the loop, and back through the cut that it just came at. Like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.